how to make money with an AI software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using an AI software robot where you don't even have to write, and an AI software will help you write content for you and you will be able to make thousands of dollars. So let's get started. First, you will have to understand what is AI software. AI software is an artificial intelligence that helps you earn money. And today we will be covering AI writing assistants that help us write content. This is the easiest AIs out there and they're really easy to use. These are different softwares developed, and I will be showing you a free software you can use to write content in minutes where you don't even have to do anything. You just sit back, give commands and relax, and AI writes the content for you just like a writer do, and then you simply save time and save your money. So let's get into it. Today I will be using writer.me, and you can simply get to writer.me and sign up. A signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or with your email address, and it's completely free. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. I'm using Writer because it's an easy AI and it is completely free. There are others as well, such as Jasper and others. Jasper is really famous. It is also an AI writing assistant that helps you write content. So first, select your AI, whatever you want to go for. So I have selected Writer here. Now, how we can make money with Writer? Well, there are many ways. The first way is going to be don't have a blog, and I'll show you how to create one very easily. So it's like an easy tip for you guys. This is a complete beginner's tutorial. If you had no idea how to make money, now you know where to start. What I want you guys to do is simply go to blogger.com. Now, blogger.com is powered by Google. Completely free, don't have to pay anything. Just you will get Blogger for free. It comes with your Google account. Sign in with your Google account and there you have your own blog. You can create the simplest blog possible on Blogger. Very easy to use. You can see right here. We click on new post and I will be able to create a brand new post for my blog. Now we make money on Blogger and we make money through Google. So if you go to earning option right here available on Blogger, you can see we can create a Google AdSense account and then we can generate money. We can make money with our blog that we are running. And if I talk about making money, we make thousands of dollars with our blogs. We make money with different views and comments we get on our blog, the traffic that we will be getting. Now this is one of my demo vlogs, like a test blog, and we can create more than one blog as well. So you can see right here, I will be able to check my stats here. We have all time, today, yesterday. So if I'm getting views in thousands and if I'm getting comments and if my traffic is, good, then I will be able to simply make money and the money is transferred to your payment method and you simply get it. Now, the only problem is that how we will write the blog, because for this, we will have to hire someone and pay them. And we don't want to do that. We don't have money to invest. So that's where Writer comes, and Writer will help us make money. So I will be able to write a blog in front of you just in minutes. Click on new document and enter your document name. Okay, let's say I want to create a blog for benefits of healthy eating. So I'm going to click on create, and now we will be able to simply create a new blog. Now select language. There are more than 20 languages available on Writer. I'm going to go with English, of course, and then we can select a tone. Now, tone depends that what kind of tone you're looking for. Joyful, thoughtful, funny, formal, critical, casual. So I want a convincing tone, and then we have a use case. Now, this is really important. You can see we can not only write our blog with our Writer, we can write brand names. Okay, I'll just show you how we use other ways as well. So we have like brand name, call to action, job descriptions, profile bios, SEO descriptions, post and lyrics, video ideas, anything. But for now, I'm going with blog idea and outline. So the primary word, we actually need to give some keywords to our AI. So I'm just going to type in few words. For example, healthy eating, food. So once you've added some of the primary keywords, you can go with number of variants. Now we can go with more than one, so I'm going to go with 2, and then we have creativity level, which is going to be optimal. Click on write for me, and Writer will take few seconds to generate content for you. And there you go, we have our blog idea. So you can see right here, now we have 5 health benefits of eating a keto diet. So this is like the title they gave me, and I have other titles as well. 10 tips on how to make your keto diet work. Okay, the complete beginner's guide to keto diet. So this is like a second, because I went with 2 variants, right? So I have the first one and then I have the second one. Now what I can do is I can just select the first one maybe and get rid of the second one. So I'm gonna go with this one and I will write content. For example, the pros and cons of being in ketosis, right? I need to generate content for it. So what I will do is I will now go with blog section writing, and I'm gonna paste my topic right here. Okay, and these are going to be some of the keywords. Click on write for me, and Writer will give you now paragraphs and blog sections. So this way I can now go ahead and write a blog within minutes where I'm actually not doing a lot. So you can see right here, it give me a full, paragraph, and now I can just, check it out. I will arrange it. So it will take me where it took me 2 hours to write a blog and come up with an original idea, original content for my blog. Writer will help me and AI will help me do that within minutes where I'm not writing, I'm just arranging and giving commands. So this is how you use an AI, and this is how you can create a blog. So now you know how to create a blog, and now you will simply go to your Blogger and you can generate 10 blogs a day if you want, and you can simply start making money. Now this is the easiest way, a blog. Another thing that you can do to make money is simply go to any of the freelancing websites. I'm right now on Fiverr.com, and Fiverr.com is one of the very famous freelancing websites. On freelancing websites, what happens is we get different jobs and we can simply do different jobs. Here we have jobs such as writing and translation. So we have article and blog post. Now I know how to do that, and I can simply get a job for $30 per hour or maybe a fixed price, and we literally charge $200 for a blog, $1,000 for a blog. Copywriting, you can do copywriting really easily with any of the AI, with Writer. We have proofwriting, resume writing, social media copy, email copy, book writing, book editing. Then we have podcast writing, cover letters. So if I go to Writer, on Writer, we not only can write blog, I can actually generate amazing brand names. I can go to Fiverr and I can say that I generate brand names and we give you unique brand names. And I can charge thousands of dollars for that, hundreds of dollars for just getting a good brand name. But I can use Writer for that. Similarly, we have business ideas, call to action, copywriting. Copywriting also makes you a lot of money on Fiverr, and there are different clients always looking for people to copyright content for them. And you can do that for fixed price with each of the writing article. I have personally done it. You can charge thousands of dollars for each article, and you can simply use Writer. Similarly, we have other options such as interview question, Facebook post, caption ideas, product description. This is also one of the things that makes you money. On Fiverr and even on Upwork, which is another freelancing website, a lot of people are looking for product description. You can write product description for eBay, Amazon, and make money. We have profile bios, and then we have SEO meta description, SEO meta title, song lyrics, story plots, taglines and headlines, and then we also have YouTube channel description, video description, and video ideas. So you can also work on YouTube using Writer and make money. So it's really easy to use an AI which is completely free without investing anything. You will be able to make a lot of money in different niches. You can create a gig and you can write content, write descriptions, anything you like using an AI. And you're investing zero and making thousands of dollars. So this is the easiest and craziest way to make money online, and it will help you get your first job on any of the freelancing website, or even if you create your own blog, it will help you create an amazing blog. And of course, then there are brand collaborations, you get famous, and you make more and more money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to earn money with an AI software. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.